Hello and welcome, it's PTG on the mic again. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the Sungura Bass chords. So these chords that I'm going to be showing you, they are movable. It's not like a chord that you just hold in one place. So these chords that I'm going to show you in this video, they're used in almost all the songs that you hear in radio, the ones you have in your phone, everywhere. So first one, I'm not going to be speaking about the chord name since they are movable chords. So just look at the shape. So here it is. This one will spice up your playing. So let's say maybe if you have to play this key, you might suspend this one and just play this one. It'll be still the same. Next one is this one. This one is also movable. Now it's this one. Next one is this one.